Today we're going to talk about repressible and inducible operons. First, we'll start with our repressible operons. Here we have our regulatory gene, which comes before the operon. The operon is composed of a promoter and an operator. After the operator, there are a bunch of genes waiting to be coded. Also, part of the operator is a receptor where you will have a repressor attached later. Here we have RNA polymerase, which is attached to the promoter. The regulatory gene produces mRNA, which then is coded into inactive repressors. The RNA polymerase is then released and it goes down the gene and starts producing mRNA. And this mRNA then codes into enzymes. In this case, we have A, B, C, and D. The operon in this case is always on, so you need a repressor to turn it off when there's too much of an enzyme. In this case, there's too much D enzyme. The excess D enzyme is then carried over and attaches to an inactive repressor. This activates the repressor and then is called a co-repressor because it's assisting the repressor in changing form. The repressor then attaches to the operon in the operator. When the repressor is attached to the operator, the RNA polymerase cannot pass. This causes the operon to become inactivated. Now we're going to talk about inducible operons. This tree represents a strand of DNA within a bacteria cell. The caterpillar represents RNA polymerase, which is attached to the promoter. The regulatory gene is now producing a bunch of active repressors. These repressors are now constantly attached to the DNA because the DNA is constantly off. This causes the caterpillar to hit the repressor and form a cocoon. The leaves here represent the genes that are waiting to be coded, but they can't be coded because there is a repressor attached. The sun works as an inducer, which attaches to the cocoon and allows the caterpillar to develop into a butterfly, which then goes down the genes and produces mRNA. The mRNA then codes for the enzymes that are required by the cell. That is all. Thanks for watching.
Right, turn off the lights, we gonna lose lose our minds tonight. What's the dealio? I love when it's all too much. 5 a.m. turn the radio up.